Many AV installations may be in buildings that incorporate some sort of fire or emergency alarm system. Symetrix DSPs come with external control inputs that can take signal from this system and either mute all output audio or even trigger other system presets. Setting this up in composer-based products like Prism, Radius, and Edge is quick and easy. In fact, we have a super module that makes setup even quicker. In Composer, open up your DSP programming. The fundamental programming for an emergency system mute is shown here, involving a one-button momentary, inverter, and dual preset trigger modules. However, Composer comes included with a supermodule pre-built for this task. In the Supermodule Library folder, double-click Import Supermodule. The Windows File Explorer will open. If not already at the correct location, navigate to your Documents folder and open the folder for the Composer version you're working in. Then open Supermodules, Examples, Tools, and search for Emergency. There should be a couple options, Emergency Alarm and Emergency System Mute. Select Emergency System Mute and open. A new supermodule is placed in the design view. Double-clicking on this module will bring up a user interface that is an easy way to visualize setup. The button currently displaying off is the trigger button for the logic programming. The mute and unmute presets are noted as 999 and 1000. These are default global presets, but can be changed to any preset combination depending on the installation needs. If we right-click on the module and select Open Design, we can see inside the supermodule and look at the logic programming involved. We can see some similar modules to those shown outside in the design view, the only difference being a 2-input logic module and an output node. These are not critical to the emergency system mutes function, but add extra functionality to the supermodule. Right-click on the off button and set up to remote control. Then select Local Analog Input and change the analog control to switch 1A, or whichever switch has been wired to accept the analog input. Click OK. The majority of the setup has been completed. Logic programming doesn't work live without being online, so push the site file and go online. Once online, test your physical emergency switch to make sure it's working as it should. If it seems like the programming is working in reverse, you can simply swap the preset numbers in the graphic interface. Alternatively, you can open up the design and reverse the sliders in the one-button momentary. This will reverse which preset is normally on or normally active.